Scandinavian homes are known for feeling calm, bright, and beautifully organized. But their secret isn't having bigger houses or expensive furniture. Instead, they follow a few simple rules that prevent clutter from building up in the first place. Today, you'll discover 20 Scandinavian rules that can make any home feel cleaner, lighter, and more peaceful. The first Scandinavian rule is simple. Everything should have a designated place. Keys, books, bags, and everyday essentials are always returned to the same spot after use. This prevents clutter from spreading throughout the house. When every item has a home, cleaning becomes faster and finding things becomes effortless. Organization isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Another Scandinavian rule is keeping kitchen counters as clear as possible. After dinner, appliances, dishes, and ingredients are put away instead of being left out overnight. Clear countertops instantly make the kitchen feel larger, cleaner, and more relaxing. Starting the next morning with an organized kitchen also makes daily routines much easier. Scandinavians don't feel the need to fill every shelf, wall, or corner. Empty space isn't wasted space. It's what makes a room feel open and peaceful. Instead of displaying dozens of decorations, they leave room for the eyes to rest. This creates a cleaner look without buying or changing anything. Sometimes, what you leave out is just as important as what you keep. Another Scandinavian rule is simple. When something new comes in, something old goes out. Buying a new sweater may mean donating one you no longer wear. This keeps wardrobes, cabinets, and shelves from slowly becoming overcrowded. It also encourages people to think carefully before making new purchases. A clutter-free home isn't created by cleaning more, it's created by bringing in less. Another Scandinavian rule is to keep the floor as clear as possible. Shoes, bags, baskets, and random boxes don't stay on the floor for long. Open floor space instantly makes even a small room feel larger and more peaceful. It also makes cleaning faster because nothing needs to be moved first. The more floor you can see, the more spacious your home will feel. Scandinavians don't try to display everything they own. Everyday items like chargers, paperwork, cleaning supplies, and cables are stored inside cabinets or drawers. Keeping these things out of sight creates a calmer and less distracting space. The goal isn't to own less, it's to reduce visual clutter. What you don't see often makes a room feel instantly more peaceful. Another Scandinavian rule is to decorate with purpose, not with quantity. Instead of filling every surface, they choose a few meaningful pieces that truly add beauty. A single plant, a handmade vase, or one framed artwork often has more impact than dozens of decorations. This keeps every room feeling calm instead of crowded. Good design isn't about adding more, it's about choosing better. Another Scandinavian rule is storing things based on how often they're actually used. Everyday essentials stay within easy reach, while seasonal or rarely used items are stored higher up or out of sight. This keeps cabinets simple and prevents unnecessary searching. Your home becomes easier to use because everything is exactly where you expect it to be. A smart organization system saves time every single day. Another Scandinavian rule is keeping the entryway clean and uncomplicated. Instead of letting coats, shoes, bags, and umbrellas pile up, they store only the essentials near the door. A tidy entrance creates a welcoming first impression every time you come home. It also prevents clutter from spreading into the rest of the house. An organized home often begins right at the front door. Another Scandinavian rule is treating the dining table as a place for meals, not storage. Many homes slowly turn the table into a spot for mail, shopping bags, laptops, and other everyday items. Scandinavians clear the table after each use, so it's always ready for family meals or quiet conversations. An empty table makes the entire room feel cleaner and more inviting. Sometimes, one clear surface can transform the feeling of an entire home. Another Scandinavian rule is making natural light the star of the room. Instead of blocking windows with heavy curtains or placing large furniture in front of them, they allow sunlight to flow freely. Bright natural light makes a home feel larger, cleaner, and more welcoming. Even simple rooms become beautiful when they're filled with daylight. Sometimes, the best decoration is the sunlight itself. Another Scandinavian rule is choosing furniture that serves more than one purpose. Instead of filling rooms with extra cabinets and tables, they look for pieces that solve multiple needs. A storage bench, an ottoman with hidden space, or a bed with built-in drawers helps reduce clutter without taking up more room. This keeps the home feeling open while making every square foot more useful. Smart furniture creates a smarter, clutter-free home. Another Scandinavian rule is never letting clean laundry sit for days. As soon as clothes are dry, they're folded and put back where they belong. This prevents laundry baskets from turning into permanent storage. It also keeps bedrooms and living spaces looking neat without much extra effort. Small daily habits stop clutter before it has a chance to grow. Another Scandinavian rule is keeping bathroom countertops as clear as possible. Instead of leaving every bottle, tube, and product on display, only the daily essentials stay out. Everything else is stored inside drawers or cabinets. Clear surfaces make the bathroom feel cleaner, brighter, and much easier to maintain. A simple countertop creates a more relaxing start and end to every day. Scandinavians organize the inside of cabinets and drawers just as carefully as the rooms themselves. Plates are stacked neatly, containers are grouped together, and everyday items stay easy to reach. This prevents frustration and keeps clutter from building behind closed doors. Another Scandinavian rule is keeping only everyday essentials within easy reach. Items you use every day stay nearby, while rarely used things are stored in closets, upper shelves, or storage boxes. This keeps drawers and countertops from becoming overcrowded. It also makes your daily routine faster, because everything you need is exactly where you expect it. Easy access begins with keeping only the essentials close by. Another Scandinavian rule is avoiding just-in-case storage. Instead of keeping boxes filled with random items they might need someday, they keep only what has a clear purpose. This frees up closets, cabinets, and storage rooms for the things they actually use. Less forgotten clutter means less time searching and organizing later. If something hasn't been useful in years, it probably doesn't need valuable space in your home. Another Scandinavian rule is spending just a few minutes resetting each room before bedtime. Cushions are straightened, blankets are folded, and anything left out is returned to its proper place. This simple habit prevents small messes from turning into overwhelming clutter. Waking up to a tidy home makes mornings feel calmer and more organized. A 5-minute evening reset can completely change how your home feels tomorrow. Another Scandinavian rule is displaying only the things that truly matter. Instead of filling shelves with dozens of random decorations, they choose a few meaningful pieces that bring genuine happiness. Family photos, handmade ceramics, or a favorite piece of art often tell a stronger story than crowded displays. Giving special items room to stand out makes the entire home feel more elegant. When everything is special, nothing feels special. The final Scandinavian rule is to resist the urge to fill every corner. Not every wall needs a picture, and not every shelf needs another decoration. Open space gives your eyes a place to rest and makes your home feel lighter and more peaceful. A clutter-free home isn't measured by how much it holds, but by how comfortable it feels to live in. Sometimes, the most beautiful part of a room is the space you've chosen to leave empty. A clutter-free home isn't about owning less overnight. It's about creating small daily habits that prevent clutter from taking over your space. By giving everything a place, keeping surfaces clear, and choosing simplicity over excess, any home can feel calmer and more inviting. Which Scandinavian rule are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more timeless home and lifestyle ideas from around the world.